Inside the documentation module of NCSimul, there is now a new icon for automatically exporting a PDF of the final report. After clicking the icon, simply select the export location and name and hit OK. NCSimul will compile and create the PDF file based on any custom template that your shop floor is familiar with using. Once complete, it will also automatically start Acrobat Reader, where you can verify your documentation directly. Applying and saving the documentation process automatically embeds this file in the NCSimul project. That way it's carried along with the file structure wherever it's sent. For instance, when it's sent to the shop floor and the machinist opens the project using the NC Player, they will see a similar icon and be able to view the report directly from the program ribbon. Since this is embedded automatically and only available if the report has been generated, it ensures that you have the correct documentation for the job at hand.